first and foremost, welcome to the 2024 CNC Connect Conference. It's been 5 years since our last conference, and it's great to see everybody. For those that don't know me, my name is Court Fowler, President of CNC, and again, I'm happy everybody's here.
Hey everybody, Murphy Buggs here with CNC. I'm the Property Training Manager. We're here at CNC Connect 2024. We've had some great guests. We've had some breakout sessions on the flood and the property side, getting ready to start our general sessions this afternoon. So we're really looking forward to that. There's been a lot of CE credits that's been offered and great exhibitors with great vendors that we partner with for this conference and in future endeavors throughout our claims handling process.
Hi, my name is Craig Kepner. I'm a new independent adjuster. It's been a fantastic experience. Really, the sponsors, the leadership here, the knowledge that I've been able to pick up, but then really especially really connecting with the other new adjusters.
The speakers have been fantastic. We got a chance to see a lot of people that we would never see, from the insurance commissioner of Alabama, to Hal, the weather guy.
The favorite part, well, it has to be, getting to see everybody. I know with COVID, there weren't very many opportunities, and I love to make new friends and see some of the faces behind those phone calls that I've been having here for about the last year or so.
The conference was awesome. It was well put together, very well organized, and the conference would mean nothing without the people. So the people that were here were awesome as well. All of the classes were very informative. It was easy flow from one classroom to the next, and the information that we got was very pertinent to what we do every day.
So the CNC Connect really, brought everybody together. Just like Mr. Fowler said, it's about connect. And the connection that we made at this conference is really going to go beyond this past 3 days.
We just wrapped up day 3 of our conference, CNC Connect 2024. We had a fantastic conference. Today was our certification day where we did a lot of carrier-specific certifications. It went great, went fantastic. Want to do a big thank you to all of our sponsors, obviously all of our attendees, everybody that made this possible. Please follow us on all of our social media platforms as you look to stay connected with us throughout 2024.